Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create Windows 10 bootable USB drive with Media Creation tool. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you will need a USB drive, 8 GB or higher, and the Media Creation tool. Please be aware that the USB drive will be formatted, so you will lose everything on it. Make sure to back up any necessary files beforehand. Now, go to your browser of choice and search for Download Windows 10. Navigate to the official Microsoft website. Then scroll down to the Create Windows 10 Installation Media section, and click on Download Now. Next, insert the USB drive into the computer, and open the Media Creation tool. In the MCT interface, click on Accept. Then select the Create Installation Media option, and uncheck Use the recommended options for this PC to be able to change the language and architecture if you want to. Then click on Next. Now, select USB flash drive and click on Next. Under Removable Drives, select your USB drive and click on Next. Windows 10 will be downloaded and then the Windows 10 media will be created. Wait for the process to finish. After that, you will be able to use the USB drive to install Windows 10. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.